Hi, I'm Daniella. I am a everyday wig wearer. I am a big fan of René Paris. I'm also a salon owner. I have a salon in Texas called Wig Trend. And today I want to share something with you that I encounter with women every day that wear wigs. It's really surprising to me how many women get a little nervous about wearing a hat over a wig. When you're selecting your caps or your hats, always look for something that's adjustable. And if you can see, this just has a small Velcro. Looking at this hat, you would never even know that it's adjustable. A lot of times there's adjustments on the inside. You can see that. And when you're looking directly at a hat, you don't really see that. So my suggestion is when you're looking at a hat, look for the adjustments on the inside, or the tag should tell you that there's adjustments. But I just want to show you how great this is going to look over my wig. And just so you know, I am wearing Veda in Bubblegum R. This is one of the pieces I get a lot of questions about. This is from our Amore Collection, and if you want more information on this piece, go to reneeofparis.com. Always subscribe, hit the notification bell, because we have a lot of additional tutorials like this coming right at you. So let me show you how this layers beautifully. And this isn't sitting on top of my head. This is, and I'm going to show you, this is fitting very comfortably on my head. A lot of times you might fear that it's just going to be setting on top of your head and it's not going to layer correctly, but this is very, very comfortable. If you're going to be wearing a hat layered, I would always suggest for you to pin your wig to your wig cap. And this is whether you have hair or not. You're going to put your wig cap on first. You're going to layer your wig. Make sure you use bobby pins on the side here. And then when you're out in public, don't be nervous. I've never lost a wig when I take off my hat. As you can see, I just took it off and I'm still good. I'm going to put that back on so you can see how easy that was. There we go. Feel confident that you can find hats that you can layer and wear over your wig very comfortably. Thank you for watching.